now a lot of effort has gone into coming up with replicable methods to be able to measure the various PFAS compounds and accurately so that you know what you have and know if what you're doing is actually working or not. But when you're down to a few parts per trillion, it doesn't take much contamination in the sample to screw it up.
That's right.
And the problem is at that level, you're probably not measuring PFAS in some kind of pure environment. You're measuring it in an environment that's also has other materials, other contaminants, other things you want there and such. So it's a real challenge to deal with that. And that you can have the same issue for a company. With MTBE, you bought it, you intended to put it in the gasoline. With PFAS, there are some uses where you intend to have it. There's plating operations and such, the heavy users of it. But there are other products that will have it in there. You may not know. Your supplier, you may not have had a spec. Your supplier may not have told you that somehow a small amount is in it because it just helps things flow easy. And there's a lot of things you want to be able to flow. And a little bit of PFAS really helps that. And so it's in a lot of things that people may not be aware of. And so a lot of companies got to figure out, do I even have this material in my product line? You know, some people know for sure, but there's others who won't know until they test or talk to their supplier, customer. And that is another unique aspect. As an in-house lawyer, you've got to be thinking about, how do I have that conversation and how does it affect our contract?